YouTube, welcome to the video. Daniel Gillette here, just wrapping up a wade here in Baffin. It's February 1st, water's about 58 degrees. I fished with the Corky Fat Boy all day and the Fat Boy floater, and both did well. I found some trout in a pothole, and I revisited it with the floater, and that's where I caught the biggest one today. And I moved spots later in the day, and there are a bunch of dicks here, so we're wrapping up the video actually. If you're new to the channel here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like the content that I make here. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Ooh, there's one. I'll back off. Hard to tell. Here I'm thinking, should change colors. Should I go to a floater? Will we get a starter fish? And there are boats everywhere. Trout. Alright, let's see. That's the problem. I ain't even gonna weigh this for the tournament, that's too small. I want like a 5-pounder. Definitely a keeper. If I was gonna keep it. Look at that. Lost the hooks. Alright, good. Let's get bigger, buddy. Here's the thump. Thump. Doesn't feel that big. Now it does. Swam right at me. Wait, head shake back there. Mid. Not that big. Definitely a keep, maybe. Could pull 20. Right in her mouth. There we go. Nice trout with a little bit of a shoulder on her. About 21, 20. There. Damn it. Stay down. Ho ho! Cracked it right on that pothole. I lost it for a second there. This might be a redfish. Or a nice trout. Well, that's a good trout. Biggest one today. Ooh. I can get it cut up. Old floater. Hey. Oh yeah, it's a good trout. This is definitely a 5+ pounder. Barely got it hooked. Okay. Damn. Hook already came off. She goes. $26. February 1st. Scale is zeroed. Hook hanging. Glazed donut. Dang it. All right. 517.